Welcome back to another video with Mrs. Taranjo at the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 2, Lesson 12, The Decline of the Inca Empire. Our objectives for today are going to summarize the reasons for the decline of the Inca Empire and explain the role of the Francisco Pizarro in the fall of this powerful civilization. And you're going to synthesize the skills that you've developed throughout the unit and compose paragraphs about how the Codex topic relates to the Inca. Our key vocabulary are navel, which is a belly button, fleece, the woolly coat of a sheep or related animal, and a quarrel is an argument or disagreement. Our purpose for reading today is to read to learn how the Inca Empire came to an end after barely lasting 100 years, and the big question is, what are the key causes of the decline of the powerful Inca Empire? So I have provided a pronunciation table for you, so if at any time you're reading the text and get confused about how to pronounce something, you can go ahead back to this pronunciation table. Feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure you're reading carefully and understanding everything. Okay. Our word work for this lesson is quarrel. However, a quarrel between two royal brothers nearly brought down the Inca Empire. Quarrel means an argument or disagreement, and it is a noun. So this is an example of a quarrel, an argument. Okay, now we're going to be working on our Codex project again. So today you're going to refer to the notes you took from the last lesson about the Inca Empire, and you're going to organize your thoughts. So the column that I told you to bypass for now, you're going to go back to it and plan how you'd like to use the information you put in your paraphrasing and your page number section, and where you're going to incorporate that into your paragraph. That's what the planning notes are for. It'll tell you where's your topic sentence, where's your supporting details, and which one is the concluding sentence. Make sure that they go in a correct order, that way it would make sense for your paragraph. And again, we have the rubric that that your teacher is going to look at in order to assess your writing. So as you're writing your paragraph, make sure you refer to this in order to we want to see strong writing, and this is the best way to find your strong writing. And when you are done drafting your Inca paragraph, you're going to incorporate another image that goes along with this. So remember, you're going to pick an image that correlates with your paragraph that you've just written. So it's really important that you reread the paragraph to make sure that it makes sense and everything, and it'll help you figure out what you want your picture to look like. When you're done with that, again, we are going to use that reference list that we've used before, where we're going to label what the article or where did you get the picture, the date that it was posted, and if it was a book or a website. Then following that, you're going to draft your caption that goes along with the image. So it's really important that it all goes along with each other. All of these things are going to be submitted to your teacher, so make sure that all of these are connected so that all of it gets to your teacher. And that's the end of today's video. We will see you in our next lesson.